In one of my platform, now someone was asking me, and even on Facebook, having a challenge with one paste. And look at it here. Just show it well. This is called squash box, and it is very dangerous. Very dangerous. You can see it here. If you just allow them to stay a little longer in your farm, they will multiply. They will definitely multiply. So someone was asking me, how can, and look at it now. This one just the one that is just started. So that means I've stayed in this farm and they have hatched, and that's why you see it this way. Okay, now the best way to control it, you use contact pesticide, not systemic. Because if you spray on the farm, maybe using systemic, when they come, it won't have any effects. But when they are operating in the farm, you attack them directly. Like what is happening here. You can see it. This one is dead already. This one is dead. So you don't allow it. So it is one of the simplest pests you can pursue out of your farm. It's not something that can give you a headache. So look for a strong contact pesticide. But look at the label before you can be able to spray. Because a lot of people also make mistake when we talk about that. Maybe in the next video we'll explain this further. You spray your farm, and within a space of time you harvest it. You don't know the kind of pesticide that you use, if the residual effect of that pesticide has finished. So if you are spraying like at this point, you are not doing organic. I encourage that you use organic, like something like neem oil. If you need the neem oil, neem striker, just contact me, I can supply you. Okay, now, so when you are not using such and you are using synthetic pesticide or insecticide, check the label. There are some that you have like 3 days withdrawal, 7 days withdrawal, 14 days, 21 days withdrawal. If you take the one of 7 days and spray in cucumber farm like this, it is not good to the society and the people that are consuming, because this cucumber you harvest it like 2 or 3 times in a week. So if you are spraying any chemical that is not organic, it shouldn't be any chemical that stays more than 2-3 days, for the residual effect to go out. Because if you do that, it will cause a lot of harm. So you want to know more about the kind of chemical to spray in your farm at any given time. Do well to follow me both in my Facebook and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Beko Farm Academy YouTube channel, Beko Farm Academy YouTube channel, and Beko Farm Enterprise Facebook page. So follow us for more tips to grow your vegetable, whether cucumber, tomato, pepper, okra, any of these vegetables. Just follow us. You would enjoy following us. Thank you.